Hey guys, so Punch here. So guys, the reason why I couldn't make any more videos for like the past 2 days, my headphones actually broke in my backpack because I actually had to go to school. So I had to wait for 2 days to get new phones. New headphones. But I got earbuds instead. They're less bigger. So now I actually got these from my uncle. His name is Uncle. I call him Uncle Walter. So now I'm just wearing them for that school. I don't know. So guys, I actually searched this up. It's by Chihuahua. Ubicarried YouTube, by the way. So apparently use these two Catasaurus and Princess Cayuga. I mean, you don't Princess Cayuga. You can actually use another cat from Puppet Master. So this is for the Space of Place. Neo Psycho Cat. Yeah, Casper Cat's gonna use Seafur Cat. So Marshall X, Megaphrodite, and my Catman. So that's what I use for Spaces of Place. I actually don't know what level the C had. I don't know if it had. So no items. And no, this cannot be no gacha. If someone actually doesn't know gacha, Nurse Waffle, I challenge you to try to do Spaces of Place no gacha. You've been doing a lot of no gacha stuff. So here comes Mr. Giant Metal Eye. So apparently I've been using Berserker Cat. So here comes Mr. Fat Hippo. Mr. Fat Metal. Also, only one difference is that he had Manic Eraser. I hope it doesn't make that much of a difference, cause I hope, cause apparently someone is not critically. Never mind, he is. Why are you no critical? You have to spam it every time you get a chance. Just like that. Now come on, hippos, you can do it. Wait, hippos? They're flipping dinosaurs from the age of... I have no idea. Also, because the song is called King Taco. Not King Taco, King Taco. Wait. So apparently the mine now causes a reaction to actually first he actually takes now 3 hits, but now on all the rest will be now 2 hits. And okay, for a second I wasn't getting slowed. I was gonna freak out for a second. OP's Melder is actually pretty helpful once you reach the base, because once they're right behind them, so they won't actually move forward like this. See, if they move forward, all of them would have died. More like nearly now. And somehow this giant stack is not criticaling. The other one flipping critical and killed it. Yeah, I don't have there's nothing to see. Like that, yep. And all of a sudden thing has gotten darker. And maybe someday I might even just go live someday. Which was I was using Montreal Exposed nah, I'm not fast. Mr. Slobberdoodle, Macho Legs, let's see how they meet. Not one-shotting, this is why. Well, not one knockback, because... Ugh. So I'm actually going to stack only 3. Oh god, I started now before... Oh god, will he be able to stop attack? Oh god, I need to upgrade my money. And here's like a strat. See, look, they actually do survive this attack of 1. Now it's time to now move, kill them, because this is what I want. Except when it's flipping 2. You're full-time cat spam. Hey, I think he nearly survives it. And actually, I'm just gonna do this. Wait, I made them take the same time. There we go. It looks like this is actually surviving one sometimes. Because he only gets hit by one. Like he's very far away. So he only gets hit by the first one and now they're attacking him. Now it's different times. It's pretty terrible. Oh god. I'm gonna give one more to see if it's about the attack. The answer is yes. We'll survive the next one. The Croccos are not supposed to be spawning now, so Mega Fidoodle. And she is supposed to actually one-shot them, which is very... not weird at all. Get Catman. Get some others. Catman's supposed to be one-shotting. And that's how I do it in England. I'm just kidding, I'm not even from England. Ooh. I also like see, I think that actually makes it actually the start harder. Oh shoot, I'm very scared. Very scared. Oh god. Oh, I'm very scared. Oh. Huh, he's frozen. Look who's ice now. Me. Oh, that was a good... That was a bad leg shake. Good job, Catman. Oh shoot, I hope he's attacking my meat shields, because that would be a me. Oh yeah, that's okay. That's good. Hope Imperator Seal comes, because that would be the best. He's striking again! Somebody help me! Oh, you knocked him out twice! Imperator Seal's now here. I love him so much because he's a little silly book. Why am I singing like this? I have no idea why I'm talking like that. The mister! Yes! RNG's now on my side. His turn back. Oh god, Mega Aphrodite! Hero shot! Justice rains from above! You idiot. Catman. Oh, yes! Don't worry about Mr. Dirtman right here. You can just freeze him and then Mega Aphrodite or Catman. And how you be here, boy? Oh my god. Oh my god, thank you, Jehovah. Thank you, Jehovah. Oh, Jehovah actually comes on this video. Oh my god, they just still shotguns. I didn't actually think of using Neo Psycho Cat. Or Macho Legs. Okay. I feel like my nose is bleeding. Someone give me. Oh no! It is What's his name? What is Mr. Cute Face? Is that for his attack? His attack is not cute. And I got myself my Abby Cat friend. I got ear rape. Sorry, guys. So thank you, Chola. I actually do remember something from Chola. First, Proho actually picked up a dog with a Mexican hat on after his assassin bear. Also got my Gamarion to my level 3. So now I have enough, except for my the one cover. All the way until Saturday. I mean Friday, so I can actually get it. And also, some birds, but I'm not going to read my Aphrodite for my XP because it gives me 1 million. So I can actually upgrade my Guardian Gamarion to max because I do not feel like farming on Friday. Because I hate farming not now. Wednesday stage. Love Middle Hippoly. Also got PSC active stack 3 Abrahamics. Not kidding. So good. So first I was thinking, what about opening my rating? First getting around didn't rating. Actually first. This is why Berserker is level 30. Why did I feel like I'm all of a sudden slightly crying? Then I feel like opening my reading, and then I feel like opening my Gamarion, then back to reading, but now full on Gamarion. Ugh. Can you have one cat fruit? If the cat goes to the sun, I get to loot. No. Sorry. Also, guys, if you just like, that's practically me moaning. I intend to be a moaner. Also, guys, if you go to New Kid Middle School, you can actually find me. I might be wearing these shoes that actually look complete light, but they have a bit of pink with basically a crazy color. So good. So give this a like if you actually go to New Kid Middle School. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Actually thought we're gonna type Flow 24 with actually a lot of these some research powers with my Gamarions to see how resistant he is. Because this is actually Dark Laser, Tackies, what's that guy's name? Lenore. I took French class, so I actually know what Lenore actually means now. It means the black. Pretty racist though, huh? Sorry, my voice. So I'm gonna wait until they actually attack my beautiful base. Here they come, looking in that straight. Hola, look at that. So gonna. They do not look. Ooh. And ooh. Oops, Texas in the dropped on me. Ooh. And then put out a gun my teeth, and you're like, ooh, I got sword in my teeth. Boom. Here they come. Did they all just die for no? Okay, all but one died for no reason. Oh wait. See, look. And one is now killing all of them. And now they're let's see also. Oh yeah, powerful, ain't it? That's not how I saw you got the last punch. So now I'm just gonna spend on my third secret meat shield, the Raymond shirt, and then look at them. Also, guys, if you guys make Middle School still, please someone run them out because I'm very excited with that. And now it's time to see the Dark Laser reaction. Flipping tacky, painting tax. I hate tax, I hate ease, I hate tack ease. look at no one see how resistant he is when Bomber Cat stops freezing them, but I think it's very weird to say that. I'll like